Today, I am reviewing the Acer Predator Helios Neo 14 AI gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 14 AI gaming laptop is a phenomenal piece of engineering that completely redefines what a compact 14-inch gaming machine can achieve. Having tested dozens of portable systems, I am thoroughly blown away by how Acer managed to cram desktop-level gaming hardware into a form factor that weighs just over 4 pounds. This laptop represents a massive leap forward, combining the boundary-pushing Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 285H with the state-of-the-art NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, based on the highly anticipated Blackwell architecture. From the moment you pick up the premium metal chassis, you feel the exceptional build quality. It is rigid, sleek, and built to survive the rigors of gaming on the go, making it a dream machine for competitive gamers, streamers, and hardcore content creators who refuse to be chained to a traditional desktop workstation. The hardware synergy inside this compact frame is nothing short of incredible. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285H processor serves as a brilliant central brain, tackling complex multi-threaded workloads, programming builds, and background streaming processes without a single hitch. What makes this setup truly special is how it offloads background operational tasks like camera frame background removal and real-time audio noise reduction directly onto its dedicated neural processing unit. This keeps the core central processing units entirely free to maximize your actual game performance. This raw processing capability is backed by a massive 32 GB of high-speed LPDDR5X onboard memory, clocked at blistering speeds that ensure lightning-fast multitasking. Moving massive files, loading huge open-world environments, and cold-booting the operating system are completely instantaneous tasks thanks to the included 1TB PCIe Generation 4 solid-state drive. If you ever find yourself running low on storage space, Acer has thoughtfully provided an additional, easily accessible M2 slot inside the chassis, allowing for effortless expansion down the line. When it comes to pure graphical horsepower, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 is an absolute game-changer. Equipped with 5th-generation tensor cores and a mind-boggling level of up to 798 AI TOPS of total performance headroom, this graphics processor introduces next-level graphical fidelity. Ray tracing performance is revolutionized here, enabling cinematic visual realism with highly accurate reflections and lighting that were previously impossible on a machine of this physical size. Furthermore, the inclusion of NVIDIA DLSS 4 introduces breakthrough neural rendering technologies, featuring advanced multi-frame generation and enhanced ray reconstruction. This technology effectively boosts your frame rates by massive margins while keeping latency practically imperceptible. Whether you are blasting through the latest graphics-heavy titles or rendering highly complex 3D modeling projects, this GPU handles everything with absolute stability and staggering speed. All of this top-tier processing power is channeled directly into a magnificent 14.5-inch WQXGA matte display. Featuring a modern 16:10 aspect ratio, this screen grants you valuable extra vertical viewing space that is perfect for editing timelines, long web pages, and productivity workflows. The 25:6x1600 resolution looks incredibly sharp on this canvas, and the esports-grade 165Hz refresh rate ensures that rapid, fast-paced action looks completely fluid. Colors look incredibly vivid and lifelike thanks to the 100% sRGB wide color gamut, making it just as capable for professional photo and video editing as it is for high-end gaming. Thanks to the integrated support for NVIDIA G-SYNC and Advanced Optimus, the laptop intelligently switches between integrated and discrete graphics on the fly, delivering completely seamless, tear-free gameplay without requiring a frustrating system reboot. Keeping such high-end components running cool inside a slim chassis is a monumental task, but Acer has implemented a masterful cooling architecture to address it. Utilizing their 5th-generation AeroBlade 3D fan technology alongside specialized vortex flow aerodynamics, the laptop forces an immense volume of cool air directly through the internal components. The thermal path is augmented by premium liquid metal thermal grease and thick vector heat pipes, which draw heat away from the processor and graphics chip instantly. Even during hours-long competitive gaming marathons, the chassis remains comfortable to touch, and the internal components maintain their peak performance levels without suffering from thermal throttling. The user experience is rounded out beautifully by highly thoughtful design choices and versatile connectivity options. The metal chassis feels premium, and the customizable 3-zone RGB backlit keyboard offers an incredibly tactile, comfortable typing and gaming response. Through the pre-installed Predator Sense dashboard, you gain complete, centralized control over your system, allowing you to fine-tune fan speeds, switch performance profiles, and modify lighting styles with precision. The port selection is outstanding for a 14-inch machine, featuring a high-speed Thunderbolt 4 port, multiple USB 3.2 Generation 2 ports, and a full-bandwidth HDMI 2.1 port capable of driving external displays at massive resolutions. Wireless connectivity is similarly future-proof, using killer wireless Wi-Fi 6E alongside Bluetooth 5.4 with low-energy audio support for ultra-stable, low-latency online gaming and wireless peripheral connections. Ultimately, the Acer Predator Helios Neo 14AI stands out as a triumphant, hyper-portable gaming masterpiece that combines unmatched computational horsepower with gorgeous visuals and rock-solid cooling, making it an easy recommendation for anyone who wants uncompromised performance anywhere they go.